Hello guys, this is Trixie, and today we're gonna be checking out this new, Gorilla Tag fandom called, what is it? Funky Monkeys, yeah. So, this game, I played it before, but then it just got a remake, so this is completely new to me. See, okay, let's read the message of the day. Hello and welcome to Funky Monkeys Remake. Jump in and get funky. The reason I did a remake in the first place is because the OG was broken behind the scenes and it would have taken too long to fix it all, so I just did a remake. I hope you guys enjoy the Funky Monkeys remake, and that's the Discord link. I don't know why the GG is at the start, but yeah. Now let's go over here. Oh, I look like that. Hello, myself. Maybe I should change my name. Okay, I got it. Okay. That might look good. That's kind of different in this game, so I'm gonna change my name. Okay. I'm Trixie. Okay. Now here are the cosmetics. These are pretty cool. I don't know how to buy them though. Ooh, owner badge. Admin badge. YouTuber badge. Oh, okay. Insert money here. So do I just have every cosmetic? That's funny. Should I find my iconic bow tie? Ooh, found it. Found my bow tie. Let's go look here. I'm gonna enter. I don't know how much coconuts I have. I don't know where to see it. So this is in the Halloween update, I think. Ooh, spooky ghost. It's from Snapchat. What's in here? Ooh, forest. Spooky. Who did? Who died? It doesn't say who died, it just says R.I.P. So who died? It's a banger. How do I disable it though? Okay. This is cool. Water. Oh, I'm lagging a bunch. Okay, what's in here? No way. It's caves. Get out of here. Guys, I'm TTT Pig. Watch this. I'm TTT Pig. See, I'm TTT Pig. I'm Pig. Pig. I'm Pig, guys. Pig. Let me out, bro. I'm lagging out. Game is so goofy. Very laggy. That's what I can say. Whoa. It doesn't look like there's anything more than this. Oh, never mind. Actually, something down here. Ooh, I pledge of allegiance to the flag. What the? What? Wow. What? Wheel. What? Wheel. That's interesting. Hey there, little man. Oh no! I have won. 1 coconuts. I have 1 coconuts. Okay, a content creator badge. I need this. I want this. And I need this. Cheeseburger, please. Only for my brother, lol, he wanted it. For his brother, that's nice. That's a nice thing to do for his brother. Halloween! Guys, if I can Lucio up here, you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe. If I can Lucio up here. Now you have to subscribe. You have to. You don't. There's not a choice anymore. You have to subscribe. Because I was able to Lucio up here. I don't even know why this is here, actually. Fall. Okay, yeah, this is my review on Monkey Funky. I can't remember. Monkey Funky. Oh yeah, Funky Monkeys. Yeah, this is my review on Funky Monkeys. Pretty good game, I think. Would play again. I just think they need to add more stuff, but I know it's just like new as a remake, and they just need to add more stuff in my opinion, because there's only like forest, shop, spawn. Yeah, but it's still pretty cool, I think. Yeah. I rate this game probably 8 out of 10. Yeah, they just need to. I'll just give like it a little bit of time, and then it'll probably be a 10 out of 10 because they just need to add like more features and all that. But yeah, this game's pretty good. I'm gonna make another video on this game, probably in the next update, because I want that creator badge. I want it. This is my most prized possession. I mean, I don't have it, so it couldn't be it. I'll play mini games. I'll play mini games. I'll play mini games. I'll play mini games. You wanna play mini games? 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 Wanna play mini games? Okay, that's it. I'm done. My voice literally hurts. Okay, anyway. Goodbye.